Nigeria has voted in a new president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and it's safe to say that there's a new sheriff in town, and he has very specific ideas on how to tackle the economy. Some of the most controversial policies being the removal of the fuel subsidy and a unified exchange rate. In this episode, we're going to discuss some of these policies and how they affect our personal finances and some of the things that we should be thinking about in terms of what these policies mean for the everyday Nigerian. And one of the ways that I think they can ameliorate the handling of this fuel subsidy removal is by improving public transportation, investing in more buses, commercial banks. We're giving you tax incentives. Go and give low interest loans to transportation businesses that can help us improve public transportation.
I don't agree.
I do.
Money is not always money.
I think that way, they don't have to spend money, right? They've created something that's valuable for the commercial banks that can help them to reduce their costs and thus improve their bottom line, but has also helped them to enable businesses that can create jobs and incomes for others.